Hello friends, welcome to my channel Biology with Aagam Singh. Today we are going to discuss on a topic the innate and acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is also called the adaptive immunity. So before getting to the topic, let's talk about what is immunity. Immunity is the resistance to an infection of an organism body. Means that it recognizes the infection agent or the outer particle. It recognizes the internal particles and the outer particles and differentiate them and reject the outer foreign particles from the body. This is what immunity is all about. So there is two type of immunity, that is innate and adaptive immunity. We just start. The first one is innate and second is adaptive, which we have the topic also. We are going to discuss about both of them differences and both of them's property. So what is innate immunity? The innate immunity is basically the immunity which is provided to us from the birth. Means that this is the birth-born immunity. Such immunity doesn't given by anyone. It is our own. Nobody can take it from us. It is our own self immunity which is present from the birth. So innate immunity is further divided into four parts. Innate immunity is further divided into four parts. The first part is the anatomical barrier. I am writing with a different pen. Second one is the physiological barrier. We will talk about them in detail now. The third one is the phagocytosis barrier. Phagocytic barrier. And the fourth one is the inflammatory barrier. So, firstly talk about the anatomical barrier. What is about? What is all about? Anatomical barrier is the barrier which is on the surface of our body. Means that skin, the mucus layer, saliva, tears. These all are included in the anatomical barrier. Anatomical means outer ones. Outer ones barrier is the anatomical barrier. The physiological barrier covers the body temperature, the pH of the digestive juices and many more things about the internal structure are physiological things. Means that body temperature, pH and also some more things. So in the third case, that is the phagocytic barrier. In phagocytic barrier, what basically comes the killer cells. Means that the phagocytotic cells, which does the process of phagocyte is the cell eating process. So in this phagocytic barrier, there are many cells, whether B cells, T cells, lymphocytes, basophils, many more cells, mast cells, many more cells are coming in the phagocytosis cells. So this is the third one, and the fourth one is the inflammatory barrier. The inflammatory barrier occurs when we get injured in a situation or we are hurted with something that if for example I am hurted here and I am bleeding from the surface, or for an example a honey bee bites in my hand, then there is the swelling there. There is a swelling area which observe in my hand, which is reddish and containing pains and it's just like a gummy area. Means that it is just like a pillow there. So this occurs because of the inflammatory barriers. Means that the cells which are included in the inflammatory barrier are accumulated at the surface and make the surface fluffy. So this is all about the inflammatory barrier. This is the innate immunity which we get from the birth. So now talk about the active or acquired immunity. What is it? The acquired words stand for, that is taken from the outside. Acquiring, we are acquiring that immunity. So this active immunity or acquired immunity is highly specific to their agents. Means that this is a specific immunity. Means that if a specific antigen is coming in our body, then a specific antibody is made in our body for the fighting with the antigen. So this adaptive or acquired immunity is further divided into the active and the passive immunity. So what is about the active and passive immunity? What are they? So let's talk about. This is further divided into the active and passive immunities. So in active immunity, what basically comes is that the active immunity contains the vaccination part. Means that we are getting immunized by outer sources from a vaccine. A vaccine is an killed or live attenuated antigen which is entered in our body, which makes us immunological capable to fight with the agent which are coming from the outside. So this is the vaccination. Vaccination is the type of active immunity. Means that we are getting totally out of the out immunities. And also, if the vaccination is done, there is a memory cell formation. Means that there is a memory formation. If that antigen again comes, then disease doesn't occur. So memory is also included in the vaccination. Memory means that if an antigen comes in the past of our life, which makes us a disease, which makes us to cause a disease, then if second time that agent comes, then we are capable of fighting with that agent, because we have the memory cells which stores the memory that this antigen has come back and we have made this type of entity, this type of antibody. So now we just are capable of making the antibody at the same time, so that no infections occurs in the body. So memory and vaccination, these all are parts which are included in the active immunity. Memory and vaccination are the two parts. Vaccination is the active part and the memory is the passive part. Also further divided the active immunity. Means that natural is memory and artificial is vaccination. Means that active immunity is divided in artificial and natural. This is artificial, this is. Now talk about the passive immunity. What is basically stands for? The passive immunity is the immunity which we get from the other person. Means that, for example, we get IgG antibody from our mother from placental transformation, and IgA antibody from the colostrum, the milk, during the lactation period. So these antibodies we get from the other person, and some immunological serums, such that a snake bite to us, to neutralize that toxins, we just have to use the snake poison to make the antibodies against the venom of the snake. So to neutralize for that purpose. So for that we use the serums, of horses or many animals to cure these serums to cure the diseases. So this is what about the passive immunity. So I hope that you understand the topic. If you have any doubt in your mind, then ask in the comment box. And if you have any question or any topic which you want to discuss with me, so that I will make a lecture video on it, then send the name of the topic in my comment box. I will definitely make a video on the topic. Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.